Best full coverage insurance for young drivers. Cheap car insurance for young drivers is one of the main concerns for many parents and students. By taking a few simple extra steps, a parent and student can ensure that they are getting cheap car insurance for young drivers. Getting cheap car insurance for young drivers requires planning and effort for both parents and young drivers. It is important that the drivers understand that cheap car insurance for young drivers is only available if the youngster met several requirements. The young driver must take classes that are provided by most major insurance carriers. These classes provide the training necessary for the driver to be safe in any circumstance. They teach young drivers about driving through oil, water, and other hazards on the road, as well as how to maneuver past obstacles in the road. In addition, students are taught how to drive in heavy traffic and what hazards to be aware of when driving at night. These classes also teach students how to react when cars or motorcycles suddenly pull in front of them. This is invaluable when a young driver will be driving in a large city or on busy streets. Some large insurance companies also provide cheap car insurance for young drivers to students who maintain a certain grade point average. As long as the grade point average is kept, students are awarded a significant reduction in their premium costs, and this reduction will get carried through to adulthood. The grade point average is based on the national average for grades, and in some areas will be well below what the actual grade point average of many students are. This makes it much easier for average students to qualify for this rate reduction. The easiest way to acquire cheap car insurance for young drivers is to add them to their parents' policy. When the driver is added to their parents' policy, he/she receives all of the benefits of the primary insured and can drive any of the cars on the policy, but they do not have to pay the rate that it would cost a young driver to purchase the same insurance on their own. Many young drivers stay on their parents' insurance policy until they either leave home or graduate from college. Many insurance companies make provisions for students to receive cheap car insurance for young drivers as long as they live at the home or remain in school. This is a benefit for both the young driver and their parents, who would normally pay for their students' car insurance when they were away at school. Cheap car insurance for young drivers is a necessity that cannot be ignored. All vehicles on the road must have insurance to be driven legally. When a young driver begins driving, they need to have the protection that insurance offers.